The decision to buy a home is a really big deal, right? That is exactly why it's our very first step in our 11-step process to buying a home. Now, if you've got a lot of debt and it makes you uneasy to imagine having an ongoing monthly house payment, we'd say stop, hit the brakes, wait a while, wait until you've pared down that debt before you move forward. Do you have an emergency fund saved? Yeah, things happen. People lose jobs. Sometimes unexpected expenses come up. That's why we recommend having a 6-month savings of your monthly expenses put away and saved that's not going to be used to help purchase the house. It's an emergency fund so that when emergencies arise, you're not left waiting to decide whether or not you're going to make the house payment or handle that emergency. Do you have the money saved for down payment and closing costs? Make sure that you've got reserves on hand to handle those expenses before you get into a contract and have agreed to make a home purchase. Buying a home should be really exciting and a lot of fun. So just make sure you've got these things in order before you begin the rest of the home buying process. Hey, before we go, I want to make sure you know about my moving kit program. It's a system that I've put together to save you thousands when you buy your next home. So go down below and click on that and make sure to sign up for Moving Kit. And one last thing, I've got 10 more videos in this 11-part series, Steps to Buying a Home, so make sure to check those out as well. And hey, thanks for watching this first video, The Decision to Buy a Home. See ya!